one thing we can do for creating interaction is creating a stamp from an asset that we like, and start create and experiment with it, with a stamp. So especially with the mirror, a lot of happy accident can happen. And this is what I like with this workflow. It really leans towards happy accident. Every part feel like an adventure. You start with an idea, but at the end you come up with something unexpected. So what is really good with working with stamp, everything you create with them follows the shape language of your brush. It's very easy to iterate from a design with that method. Everything fits the same one. Here is a perfect example of something really unexpected. I really find this shape interesting. I think like it's a flying creature, an alien dragon a bit. So we could have these small wings in front to create contrast with his big back. It really feels like an alien flying creature from another planet. A giant one, actually. We could have like really small, maybe his baby around. Right there, I'm being fun with the stamp, trying to find some cool details to add to this guy. Maybe having some like tail floating in the air behind. But yeah, I think happy accident again. I was aiming for rocks, and I'm finishing with a cool creature design with very, very cool shapes and proportion.